When the pandemic began, me and a few other CEPA students began discussing how can we help the vulnerable communities who are the most affected. And we realized that women artisans in India have overnight lost their jobs. While these are skilled women, they have the resources at hand. It's only a matter of tweaking the market, so to say. Why not talk to them and ask them, can they now switch to PPE kits? We founded Ekatra Life. It is a digital marketplace that connects non-profits who work with women artisans with corporate buyers who are looking to connect them through sales. We initially applied for the CEPA COVID-19 Response Challenge, through which we started identifying non-profits who would be willing to partner with them, and we identified a large cement manufacturing company called Star Cement. After 5 rounds of rigorous calls, they agreed to be our first client. From there on, we also applied to CEPA's Dean Challenge and we raised a second round of funding, through which we not only got more corporate clients, but we also got the opportunity to provide these women artisans a platform where their crafts, their skill will get recognized. It is not just about raising income for these women, but it is about dignity of labor. These are women who have not even stepped out of the small towns and villages, and for them, their craftsmanship is beyond survival. That kind of feeling that we are craftsmanship, we are entrepreneurs amongst ourselves, that's a feeling that we aspire to instill in these women. In the pandemic, it is PPE kits, masks, gloves. In a non-pandemic time, it can be gift baskets, it can be corporate gifting, it can be files. We want to see customers who are willing to support women artisans who are working in sustainable fashion, who are doing some ethical work. It's just a matter of connecting the demand and supply.